Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge in the channel. Students, today I'm going to talk about the three most common things in this video which you face when doing your IELTS speaking exam. First, when you don't understand what the examiner asked you, you don't understand the question, then what to do. If you want to clarify your answer, or the person is asking for you to speak more or want to clarify yourself. And last, when you don't know how to start an answer, you don't know what to say, there's no ideas in your mind and you don't want to take pause. So these are the three common things which mostly happens in the IELTS speaking exam. So this video is for you guys. So let's start answering all these three basic questions. The first is when you're asking for clarification, means you do not understand the question and you want to ask the examiner to repeat it again, or you want them to clarify the question. So you can say any of these three things. First, sorry, I did not quite catch that. Second, could you say that again? And then you can also use word please. And lastly, could you explain what you mean by, and whatever they asked you, mean by whatever the thing is. So these are the three sentences, these are the three phrases you can use if you're asking for more clarification when you do not understand the question and you want examiner to repeat that. Now, next is when you want to clarify yourself. So in the first one, you want to clarify the examiner, you want examiner to clarify what he or she said to you when you don't understand the question. Second is when you want to clarify yourself, then you can use to put it another way, or what I am trying to say is, then say whatever you were trying to say earlier, and then what I mean is, and then say your sentence. So you can use these phrases like to put it another way, what I'm trying to say, what I mean is. So you can use any of these three when you are trying to clarify yourself in the IELTS speaking examination. And the lastly guys, when you don't know what to say, for example, like examiner asks you a question and you don't know what to say, what is the answer, there's no idea in your mind and you don't want to just keep quiet, obviously, because if you keep quiet or you take a very long pause, it will put a negative effect on your bands. So you can start your sentence by saying, I have never thought about it before, but I guess. So you can just say that you have never thought about it before, like before your examination you have never in your life thought about it, but I guess, and then you can say whatever you want. By this you will get that few seconds window to come up with some idea in your mind to say something about that question which examiner asked you. So guys, this is the very simple things. You can just learn them, remember them and use them in your IELTS speaking examination.